You have mature skin, you have dark circles, you want to cover them up, you don't want texture, you don't want heaviness, you don't want crepiness, you don't want it to sit in fine lines, you don't want it to crease, you don't want it to look super just too much, right? I've got you. This is going to be my roundup of the best concealers for dark circles on mature skin, and it's going to tick every single box, and I'm going to tell you why. This isn't in any particular order. First up is Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. Why is this so good? It's full coverage without the heaviness. You're not going to get that dry, heavy, crepey, thick feeling on your under eye area. It also is a really nice creamy texture, so it actually doesn't dry out too quickly. It is very flexible on the skin. So good for dark circles and pigmentation issues. Great for coverage. That full coverage that you see on the like packaging. I think it does say full coverage. I'm not actually so sure, but it's full coverage. But it's not full coverage in the sense where it feels like it's mask-like at all. I use this all the time and I absolutely love it. In fact, this is also my concealer that I mix in with my general Tape Shape, because I feel like Tape Shape from Tarte can be a little bit, I'm talking about the OG, I feel like it can be a little bit too heavy sometimes, so I use this to soften it up and it works so well with it. It's hydrating, so it works really well on mature skin, and it also layers really well. So whatever foundation or skin tint you're using, this is a great product that kind of almost is friends with everyone. Like you can use it with a good coverage foundation, you can use it with a skin tint, you can use it with a tinted moisturizer. It just somehow works with every type of formula really, really well, and it blends like a dream. I feel like a tiny amount goes a long way, and it's also super reliable on kind of long days that you have. Next up, we have the Guerlain Terracotta Concealer. Let me explain why this is so good for mature skin. It's one of the most skin-like concealers for mature skin. It gives coverage while it's like still looking kind of radiant and light on the skin, like it doesn't look heavy on the skin. It is also like super easy to blend, and I feel like the shade range is really, really good. It's so good for dark circles. The best way that I would say to apply this is to basically apply it where you want it on the under eye area, like not too close to your kind of lower lash line, and then let it sit for a little while. Just give it like 20 seconds. This is great if you don't like thick concealer, because this like formula that you're going to work with is a very lightweight formula. It's not heavy. It's really good at covering dark circles, but I feel like the best way to use this is, like I said, let it settle there for a little bit. Give it 20 seconds or so, and then buff it out with a sponge, and you're going to get the most amazing chef's kiss under eye area. This is like perfect for mature skin. Next up, we've got the Dior Forever Skin Correct Concealer. Now this gives you high coverage, but what I love about it is it's very flexible, so it moves with the skin, which I feel is exactly what you need when you have mature skin. Because when you have mature skin, you've got a lot more kind of movement, you have more skin, because just kind of like, you know, starts to collect a bit, and that's why you get the lines and you get the sagginess, you get the loss of elasticity. And I feel like this particular concealer is great if you have mature skin but you want that extra coverage. Dark circles, gone with this, but it does set really nicely and it doesn't dry out the skin. It stays hydrated. It's very, like I said, flexible on the skin, and it's something that I think requires very little powder. So if you don't really like setting with a lot of powder, I think this is a really good option for you, because I feel like this self-sets really, really well. Works well for spot concealing or your under eyes, something I know you're gonna love. Next up, we've got the Tarte Shape Tape Radiant version. I think that this is kind of more softer and a bit more forgiving than the original like Tarte Shape Tape, because that's why I feel like this is good for mature skin, because it has a little bit more flexibility in there. It doesn't dry as quick. It's also a bit more brightening, which is perfect for dark circles. And it isn't as heavy and thick as the OG. It doesn't let your skin look matte, like flat or matte. So I feel like if you find the Tarte Shape Original to be too matte for you and too drying, then you are going to love this one. So I feel like a lot of people don't realize that you have this option with Tarte Shape Tape, because Tarte Shape Tape, I personally love the original and it works really well for me, but for a lot of people, especially if you are more mature, it isn't the right one for you. And that's not me saying that because you guys have said it. It's also me saying that because I know by working on mature skin, the original Tarte Shape Tape is not necessarily the greatest. It's not forgiving at all. And if anything, I feel like the original kind of highlights or emphasizes texture and things that you're trying to actually hide. Whereas I feel like if you go for this one, the Shape Tape Radiant, then I think this is for you. This is a really, really good option, because with the original, you will actually find this when you first put it on your skin as well. With the original, it's very kind of like, you can just immediately feel it's very thick, right? And it kind of dries out very quickly. I feel like with this Radiant version, it is completely different to the OG. Completely different. I feel like you're going to get that brightness. It's really good at brightening the area, like certain areas, but it's also really good at keeping the area hydrated, moving with the skin, not allowing it to kind of emphasize the crepiness or the fine lines or the texture. So genuinely give this a go. I think you're going to love it. Next up is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I do feel like this is probably one of the best everyday concealers. If you want something that is quick, easy for you to use, gets the job done, isn't heavy at all, and can be layered and built up, I feel like this is the one. This is a really good option. There's a reason everyone goes on about this concealer. It's also radiant, so it does help to brighten up certain areas, and it's great for the under eye area, especially if you opt for a shade which is just a touch lighter than your skin tone. That's really going to help to brighten up those dark circles. I feel like it's a really good balance between coverage and also kind of a natural finish. So you get the coverage that you want, but it also gives you a very natural skin-like finish. I think that the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer is that kind of, you know, when you have that one outfit that you know you throw on and it always has your like back, it's your throw on outfit. This is your throw on concealer. This is the concealer that you can just throw on and you know it's going to do what it's got to do and you don't have to spend too long actually trying to work it. Next is the Hourglass Vanish Concealer. It gives a very smooth, very velvety kind of like perfected finish to the under eye area. It's so good at covering dark circles. It's very good for mature skin because it is flexible. It doesn't dry out very quickly. So you can keep building it up if you want to, which personally I don't think you need to because it's quite a thick texture, but not thick in the sense that you get a heavy mask-like finish. It's more of a kind of, I would say just a very kind of hydrating concealer. And it's very good at blurring texture. That's why I feel like it's really good on mature skin. I feel like it is like very refined, very good at giving a polished look to your skin. Great if you want an airbrushed finish, and it's really good at lifting and brightening the area. So great for under eye circles. And I also really love this next one, which is the Westman Atelier Vital Skincare Concealer. It is so good for mature skin. I kind of feel like I'm not going to say, or actually I do feel like I've saved the best till last. Very luxurious finish, very skin-like, gives coverage while still letting your skin look natural, and it's very breathable. That's another thing I would say. This is a very breathable concealer. So nice for mature skin because I feel like it gives you the coverage that you need. It doesn't emphasize any kind of lines, crepiness, or texture. I have heard a lot of mature people say that they love this concealer, and I tried it I think a bit after it kind of becoming so well known, and then I understood why people are going on about it, and I especially understood why mature skin people were like, wow, this is amazing for mature skin. It is a very good concealer for anyone in their 40s or above. You are going to absolutely love this concealer. It's soft focus, so it gives that soft focus effect. It blurs texture. It gives you the coverage you need. It is buildable, so you can kind of build it up, but it is very good coverage initially that you get from one layer. I tell you what else is really good about this. It has self-setting technology, so you don't actually need to use powder on this. If you feel that you need to, that's fine, because I always feel like powder does help a little bit, but you don't have to use powder with this concealer, and that's another reason I think everyone loves this concealer so much. By the way, have you hit the like button? Have you subscribed? And have you also hit the bell button so you don't miss my next video? Make sure you do that because it really helps this channel out. Also, don't forget to head on over to thebeautybreakfastclub.com because it's my online platform where I talk about everything to do with beauty, wellness, style, health, There's even an over 40 section on there that you're going to love, where I basically just talk about everything that applies to anyone in their 40s, because I'm in my 40s and I feel like I know what I'm talking about because I'm experiencing it, I'm living it, I'm going through it, especially perimenopause. So if you want to hear anything about all that stuff, head on over there and subscribe to it. It is free and that gives you access to some of the site, but if you go for the paid version, which is the same as getting yourself like one coffee a month, you're going to be able to unlock the entire site, and also you get to join, which I think is the best bit, the group chat on the platform where you can ask me questions directly, but more importantly you get to connect with so many like-minded people who are also in the same boat and they love everything to do with beauty. And some people even send their selfies in and people are like, it's like a hype group. People are like hyping them up and like, oh my God, you look so good today. Or it's like, I've tried this new blush. This is what it looks like today. What do you guys think? Or has anyone tried this before I go out and buy it? It's such an amazing group. You're going to love it. So make sure you go for that version and I will see you there. So going back to this concealer, it's great if you want something to melt into your skin. You want something that's going to give you the coverage, but it doesn't look heavy and thick, and this doesn't dry, even though it is self-setting, it doesn't dry down and kind of tighten everything up and then shrivel everything up. It's not like that at all. It's a concealer I think it's genuinely so good for mature skin. All of these concealers are amazing when it comes to covering dark circles on mature skin. That's what we're talking about here, right? Concealers not just for mature skin, but covering under eye circles. That's why I've handpicked these ones. There are other concealers which are great for mature skin, but I don't think they're necessarily the best for dark circles. Everything I've gone through today is amazing for dark circles or mature skin. So hopefully that makes sense. I really do hope you've enjoyed this today. Very straight to the point. I just want to list them all out for you and tell you exactly why they are so good. But also, I have actually gone ahead and picked out a favorite video for you, which I think you're going to love, and it's going to be shown on the screen after this. So make sure you click on it, or it will take you straight to it. But also you've got all the products in the description which you can click on and it will take you straight to it. But I really do hope you've enjoyed this, and I will see you on the next video.